Come today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now when I'm just press and touch and hold the fingerprint scanner, I can use different applications or just functions. For example, we can launch the camera by this way. And if you want to just turn off this feature, we should just go here into the settings application, scroll down to the special features. After that, just click here to quick launch, and now just to turn off quick launch, you should click here once on the switcher to turn it off. And now, for example, when we'll just try to activate some applications, you can see that the quick launch feature is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.